This morning, devastation in Oklahoma.
Just be advised, all of downtown Sulphur is destroyed.
Sulphur, Oklahoma, population roughly 5,000, taking a direct hit. The harrowing nighttime twister captured on camera. Locals say this was the small city's historic downtown. Now it's been reduced to rubble. Roofs are gone, buildings destroyed. This mail truck tilting on a pile of debris.
It honestly looks like somebody just dropped a bomb on this area, because it's gone.
Officials say at least 100 people are injured from relentless storms across the state.
You just can't believe the destruction.
Devastation stretching from Texas to the Midwest, with torrential rain and tornado reports in College Station and Trinity, Texas. And at least 120 tornadoes reported across multiple states. Much of Minden, Iowa, ripped to shreds. Here in Minden, officials say this ravaged home is in the middle of a street. It's supposed to be yards away on this foundation, and you can see it is hardly the only building badly damaged. The community now comes together to pick up the pieces.
When something's that bad, you almost go a little bit numb, and so now it's a matter of just getting up and going forward. Back here in Sulphur, we're looking at a clear forecast today and tomorrow, but there is marginal risk for more severe storms here on Wednesday at a time when this community clearly still has a lot of cleanup ahead. Savannah?
All right, Jesse Kirsch, thank you.
As Jesse just pointed out, this is far from over. Al, where's it headed?
Yeah, guys, unfortunately, you can see a long line from the Great Lakes all the way down into Texas, and that's really where we're looking right now, from Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, where we have severe thunderstorm watches out for heavy showers and thunderstorms. Right now, the strongest threat's going to be in the mid-morning. We're looking at a significant flooding from Houston, Texas, on into Lake Charles, Louisiana. We've got a risk of severe weather from Corpus Christi, Jackson, on into New Orleans. Then during the day today, that system moves to the east. Tomorrow, a new frontal system starts to develop. We're looking at a severe threat stretching from Minnesota to Texas. And this one area from Sioux Falls down to Kansas City, we've got the risk for 2-inch hail or more, and we can't rule out tornadoes. Then we move on into Wednesday. Another severe risk breaks out in south central plains. Again, that same area, Oklahoma, that Jesse was just talking about, Wichita, Kansas, a risk for more severe weather there, damaging hail. Again, tornadoes possible, strong EF2 or stronger. And we're expecting rainfall rates down through this area, down in the lower Gulf, 2 to 3 inches per hour. There could be some flooding. And then looking ahead to today, temperature-wise, northeast, mid-Atlantic states, summer is arriving. We could see some records with temperatures anywhere from 15 to 25 degrees above average. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.